Greetings, Ascended Nation. So I'm coming to you with a quick channel message. Let's go ahead and get into it. So the first card we have, it says, I did everything I could. So the energy I get behind this is something could be surrounding a home and a third party, because we do have the home card here, which talks about comfort, safety, belonging, and shelter. And then we have interference, cheating, competition, mistress. So someone could have done all they could to keep a home together. Okay, that's what I'm picking up here. Then we have the King of Pentacles. Okay, so someone could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. All right, so this talks about stability and success, leadership, accumulation, long term investments. Okay, so something could be significant about it says wealth and stability. You have achieved financial success through hard work. I'm picking up something about a realtor. Something could be significant here in reference to a realtor, okay, or this King of Pentacles in a home, okay, surrounding a home. Then we have the Three of Swords in reverse. So this says healing, forgiveness, recovery, reconciliation, repressing emotions. Okay, so and it fell on a third party. So something could be significant to a third party, either going through healing. A King of Pentacles could be going through healing. Okay, something could be significant about someone recovering something. Okay, so like I said, something significant about a home. All right. Then we have death in reverse. It says fear of change, repeating negative patterns, resisting change, stagnancy, decay. So this is kind of giving me, when I said in the beginning, someone um continuously trying to make something work. So this is that death energy. So this could be some type of codependent, like karmic relationship. Okay, because someone is fearful of change here. Okay. So to further clarify this, we have plays both sides. Okay, we have readers being paid to lie, and that came out in reverse. So this is known. Excuse me. And they're doing spell work, but we have hates their own ethnicity. So these readers could possibly hate, their own ethnicity. We have divorce court. So something significant here about divorce court. This King of Pentacles could be going through some type of divorce. Okay. We have erectile dysfunction. So something significant about that. We have something about a stolen inheritance. Okay. Then we have they think you're naive. Okay. We also have stolen home. And we do have the home card here as well. Also, I was picking up too when it says I did everything I could. I was picking up as well that someone possibly could have done everything to steal something. Okay, we have multiple husbands in reverse, so someone here could have multiple husbands. We have targeted and ascendant master. Okay, so the next energy we have here is it says real men use three petals. And on the back, it says something significant about a truck driver. Okay, something could be significant about hauling, and something could be significant about long distance or travel. Okay, but to further clarify this, we have romantic feelings. It says falling in love, affection, happiness, emotions. Okay, so to further clarify that, we have the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so this is giving me that karmic relationship energy again. Okay, I'm also picking up that this does not necessarily have to be some type of like sexual partnership. Okay, this could be surrounding family or something like that. I'm hearing like moochers or people who are like money hungry. Okay, someone, I'm also picking up moving energy too with this truck energy. 10:10 on the clock. Okay, Then we have social media. So it says spying online, dating, reminiscing, networking. So someone could be watching you on social media. Okay, we have the lovers to further clarify that. It says love, unions, partnerships, relationships, choices, romance, balance. Okay, this is air energy. All right, and we know social media is all about, communication, involves communication and stuff like that. So something could be, someone could be an air sign here. Someone could have air, in their Venus. Okay, I'm picking up here. Okay, and then we have the Page of Wands. It says adventure, excitement, fresh ideas, cheerfulness, energy, fearlessness. Okay. Something could be significant in reference to Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All right, the Page of Wands. Okay. And then we have the King of Cups. All right. So, Scorpio energy. All right. So something significant about social media and some type of creativity. Okay. Then we have ghosted. All right. So something could be significant about someone who um ghosted someone here. All right. We have disappeared, silence, ignored, rejected. Okay. This is giving me that karmic energy again. Okay. So we also have the star card. So it says hope, inspiration, positivity, faith, renewal, healing, rejuvenation. Okay, so I feel like that this is telling me that someone who ghosted you is in hopes of some type of renewal. Okay. Then we have roll the dice, take a chance, risk, leap of faith strategy. Okay. So something significant about a leap of faith here, collective. And then we have Three of Cups. All right, this talks about friendship, community, gatherings, celebrations, group events, social events. So I feel like Spirit is telling you to this is giving me networking energy. Thank you, Spirit. It's giving me networking energy. Then we have spiritual awakening. It says enlightenment, epiphany, life lessons, rebirth. Okay, so this is giving me um like foreseen energy. Okay, that's what I'm picking up off of this spiritual awakening card. This celebration can also surround spirituality as well. Then we have the Queen of Cups. Okay, so more of that intuitive energy. Okay, and then we have the Emperor. So something could be significant about an Aries as well, or some type of father figure energy. Okay, so to further clarify that, we have he's guilty of water sign. So something significant about a water sign or someone who has someone can have a water moon. Okay. Then we have court proceedings behind your back. So whomever this was, um yeah, there were court proceedings behind your back. Then we have someone in the spotlight is involved. Okay. Then we have tried to steal your destiny. Okay. So this individual could have possibly, whomever this person in the spotlight is, could have possibly tried to steal your destiny. Okay, and that could have been some type of court proceedings. We have a fraudulent adoption. So this court proceedings could have been surrounding a fraudulent adoption. We have keep calling them out, and this is in reverse. Okay. Then we have that air sign is an agent. We have ex collaborated against you. We have grandparent, maternal. Okay. So, lastly, we have come and see me for once. All right. So, with this energy, we have divine timing. Okay. And we have mystery. So, I have been picking up like this moon energy where something is hidden here. Okay. So, it says divine timing, wrong timing, stalemate, perfect timing, waiting. Okay. And then we have mystery, unknown, enigma, illusion, confusion. We did get the leap of faith card earlier as well. So to further clarify the divine timing and the mystery, we have the Six of Pentacles. Okay, so this talks about charitable acts. It talks about material help. It talks about support, sharing, giving, receiving, gratitude. Okay. It also talks about promotion and fair exchange. Okay, so I feel like something is coming in divine timing, and I feel like spirit just has its protected. All right. So next we have the snake card, and we have healing. So we have deception, shady, temptation, enemy. We have wounds, improving, mending, progress. So I feel like some snake is trying to um renew something, in which we was picking up that energy earlier. Okay, and that same energy is here. Okay, I feel like this is someone who needs to heal. Okay, so then we have the Five of Cups. So this person could be in some type of loss, feeling lack. Okay, mourning, discontent. Okay, like I said earlier, needing to heal. Okay, it says healing, acceptance, all right, financial loss, all right, regret, solitude, all right, um, someone could have a Mars in Scorpio, okay, or there could be a water sign. Then we have the Page of Swords. It says chatty, communicative, inspired. This is giving me, it says mentally agile. This is giving me, someone could be receiving some type of like financial communication, or something surrounding finances. Okay. And then we have the Eight of Pentacles. This talks about craftsmanship, mastery, commitment. It could be surrounding what someone does for a career. Okay, so this is giving me like a message surrounding a career that could bring along this Five of Cups energy. That's what I'm picking up here. So to further clarify this, we have controlling siblings. We have catfish pregnancy, was never pregnant. We have man wearing a mask in your vicinity. We have contracted killer. We have it wasn't about him, it's about you. We have toxic uncle or auntie. We have intervention, so some type of divine intervention. It could be when it comes to this toxic uncle and aunt. We have he's not guilty and air sign. This did come out in reverse, so this could be that air signs um innocence has been proven, or it could mean that being that it says not guilty and it came out in reverse, it could mean someone is guilty. Okay. Next we have, and I'm also hearing something about communication. We have neighborhood spies. So something, neighborhood spies could be communicating about something. We have I'm gonna be fresh as hell if the Fed's watching. Okay. We have your light irritates their demons. We have toxic boss, manager, or CEO. We have she's not guilty, a water sign. This did come out in reverse. Okay. Then we have wanted to sacrifice you. This came out in reverse, so this is something that is known. All right. So that is everything I have for you for this reading. I hope you enjoy, and I'll talk to you in the next one.